orange smell. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Today is a very special day. We're in the Subaru WRX and we're gonna go down to Patterson's Performance to grab a part in particular, which you probably already saw in the thumbnail, and I am extremely excited to get this going. I am extremely excited. So you guys are gonna go follow me and we're gonna go down to Patterson's, look at the turbo, and install that bad boy, man. Shit. What do we have in this car right now? We pretty much, what the fuck? We're pretty much full bolt-on. Aside from TGV, EGR deletes, and the electronic boost controller solenoid, which I'm probably gonna get. Aside from that, stock turbos, stock trans, and stock motor. Everything stock. I am currently pushing 370 to the wheels on a dyno jet. That was a couple of months back, I believe so, or a year or so ago. The car's running absolutely amazing. We finally have AC in the car as well, but we need to put the fender flares back on, and we need to put, you know, a little bit more effort on the exterior, especially the front, because it's looking kind of chalked. But anyway, guys, I'm extremely excited, and I hope you guys are too, because we're gonna get this turbo. It's a pretty big turbo. I'm hoping that we hit the 500s. Probably not, but this is at 370, man, and it pulls. Watch. Yeah, it pulls pretty good. But anyway, let's go down to Patterson's Performance and get this turbo installed in the Subaru, and I'm so excited, guys, and a lot of more things are coming soon, and you'll be very excited of what's to come. So keep tuned.
As I promised.
Right here,
waiting for you, brother.
You need to let me film.
Alright, get started.
So yeah, pretty much I have full bolt-ons. Like I said before, I have the Mishimoto cold air intake, I have the Mishimoto intercooler, front mount intercooler, I have catless downpipe emission, full 4-inch ETS Extreme catback exhaust with no cats. So pretty freaking loud. And I think that's pretty much it, aside from the tune, the Cobb access port, of course. And that's about it. So today we're going to be installing the first, I did not know this, but the first one in Texas, Boostlab turbo, capable of 500 horsepower. I am on stock headers right now, as you guys can see. So, stock block, stock trans, stock everything, aside for bolt-ons and E85. So, I'm excited. Let's get this damn install started. So, along with the turbo, we're actually getting a bigger, better turbo inlet. This is the TDM Imports turbo inlet. Look at that. Look at that spin. Huh? Here it is. Brand spanking new, baby. Some oil in there. Pretty much just separating the headers from the actual turbo itself. Just to let you guys know, we did get the electronic boost controller solenoid, Grim Speed, and it's already installed on here, as you guys can see.
Because I'm a real ass nigga. Cut that out.
Hey, you lit.
Alright guys, first startup successful. At this point we're just burping the engine. Alright ladies and gentlemen, pretty much we're done with the installation on the Boostlab turbo for the 2015 plus WRX for the FA engines. Again, we installed the Boostlab turbo, the Grimspeed electronic boost controller solenoid, and a TMD turbo inlet with that spiral thing on it. So it's gonna be pretty nice to hear whenever we can drive it. Unfortunately for today we're not gonna be able to take it home, just to be on the safe side, not to hurt the engine, not to blow it up before we even go tuning and stuff. So we're gonna leave it here at the shop for at least another day so that we can go ahead and tune it, or at least get a safe tune for the car, and we should be good to at least drive it home. But as far as right now, everything's good. It looks solid. The turbo kit, the turbo looks freaking amazing. Everything looks good so far, man, and this is gonna probably be the end of the video. If you did like it, please leave a thumbs up. We're the first ones to have this kit in West Texas, so I'm extremely excited to see what numbers this car makes. But it's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Let's try to reach for those 500 horsepower soon. We're gonna be in the 400s at least, I know it. So if you think we're gonna make that power, please leave a thumbs up. And if you don't, comment down below what you think this car's gonna make. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Until next time, peace out. Just to let you guys know, I have not hit even a pound of boost. Let's get prepared for that tune.